Hey everyone, today is grocery haul day, and today we went to Kroger only because we have a super busy weekend and I wanted to just do a one-stop shop. It was $425, but we also bought a few stock-up items. Let me turn you around and show you what we picked up from Kroger for today. We are going to be starting with the frozen foods right here. This probably isn't all of it, and again, I am going to share that it was a $425 haul, and it was only one store. I tried to do a little more budget friendly, lean more towards healthy. I know you're looking at dessert and pizzas, but like we do splurges on Friday. It's just our thing. We splurge on Friday for pizza, breaded chicken, desserts, and then Sunday we also do a dessert, and then the rest of the week we try to lean more towards vegetables and snacking on fruit and things like that. So it's kind of a hodgepodge, but we do that one spoiler day a week and it seems to help. Plus I said dessert on Sunday also kind of helps as well. So let's start with these frozen items. We have 3 bags of the chopped broccoli recipe beginnings because they were out of the just florets. I prefer to just get florets. I really do. But they were actually sold out of theirs. 3 pepper and onion blend. I bought 4 bags of these. And yes, I did find they do just sell 3 pepper and onion blend. And like I put on the text last week, you can on that one just take the sauce out and save the sauce for later for like marinating chicken or something. But I still would prefer to just get this 3 pepper and onion blend. I also picked up 1 bag of the Farm Rich meatballs. Normally I would go to Sam's to buy these, but again, I really just needed a one-stop shop today. So I bought these, and I did buy the bag that specifically says gluten-free. 1 bag of the Mexican style blend cheese. Also, if I haven't mentioned, if you want to see the meal plan, click the join button below for more information to become a channel member where we share those meal plans. 1 carton of lactose-free vanilla ice cream. And the DiGiorno's were on sale for $3.99 each this week if you did the coupon. And I love that Kroger's has a QR code that you can scan to put the coupon onto your app to buy these. Plus, because I bought these on Friday, 4 times fuel points. So, DiGiorno, and it wasn't all the DiGiorno's, it was some of them, but all 3 of these were included. So, it was a DiGiorno croissant, the loaded ultra thin carnivore, which is super, super meaty. And then this one has become our favorite. It is the Veggie Lovers, and it has, I can't read from here, red, yellow, and green bell pepper, spinach, garlic, yellow, and onions, Asiago, Parmesan, and Romano cheeses. It's just a really good, lightweight, thin crust veggie pizza. And I'm doing better with thin crust pizzas right now, but like that pizza is just like perfect for like, if you just want a thin crust veggie pizza, it's perfect for that. And then also for a different meal this week, we're going to be doing the freshetta, yeah, I think that's how you say that, spinach and roasted mushroom brick oven pizza. Again, like I said, we're going to do 2 desserts this week. So we have the Edwards turtle cream pie and the key lime pie. We also have 1 bag of the honey breast tenders for a not Friday meal. And again, that'll be in the meal plan. There's 2 bags of these lightly breaded chicken breast chunks. More places I'm seeing are leaning more towards these lightly breaded ones. I don't like normal Tyson tenders anymore because there's so much breading on them. But I have seen more options for these lightly breaded ones, and we really like them. And these go really well when you want to just like add stuff to them to make a complete meal. Let me put this round of freezer stuff away, and then I will show you round 2 of either fridge or freezer. This is a hodgepodge of cold stuff and produce. So let's start right here. We have 1 small bunch of bananas. And yeah, I know that's not enough for 6 people. It doesn't need to be. 1 box of the unsalted butter. This is about the same price as Aldi was. And again, I just needed a one-stop. 1 bag of the baby carrots. I did price it out. The 2-pound bag was cheaper this week. It was only $1 a pound. These are replacement item because I couldn't find like salami. So in place of salami for this week, we're going to be doing these and they're like for 1 meal. So corned beef, regular beef, ham, honey ham, and chicken. I think the other flavor that they had was turkey. We also picked up 1 pound bag of the Black Forest ham, 1 Dole Southwest salad kit that was on sale. I can't remember. 2 containers of the cotton candy grapes, 1 large container of the red seedless grapes, the sweet turns or sweetums, but anyways, it's the red seedless grapes. The organic Greek whole milk yogurt. We didn't like the bland one, the plain one. When you get the plain whole milk one, it just tastes different. So we went with the vanilla bean this time to see if we like it. I still prefer the one from Sam's, but again, one-stop shop today. 1 pack of the Nathan's hot dogs. We have several yogurt selection for this week. So there's a total of 3 of these orange vanilla. My lactose free one says she really, really loved this flavor. So, yeah, we got 3 of them this week. We also picked up 1 lemon, 1 blackberry. There's a total of 2 of these white chocolate flavored raspberry, a cinnamon roll, and a banana cream pie. And then again, you've already seen these orange vanilla, and there's the other white chocolate raspberry. Of the drinkable ones, we have the honey banana, which there are 2 of these you did not see on this haul because we had them on the way home from the store. The 2 of us that were eating before we got home. I had one, and then one of mine had another one, and I don't remember what flavor she had, but there's honey banana. That was pretty good, but I probably shouldn't have that again. I thought I could have like processed banana. Apparently I can't. So yay. But it was actually a pretty good flavor. It doesn't have as much honey flavor as I thought it would, but it's also 0 sugar. So probably why. There's also a peach, a blueberry peach. That's what the other one had. So we're total of 2 peaches, a strawberry, and a raspberry. We also have 1 bag of these bacon crumbles. Definitely cheaper at Sam's than Kroger. Just saying. We'll see if the quality is better at Kroger, but the Sam's bag is definitely cheaper than the Kroger bag of the same size. Country Crock, I know it's margarine, and margarine's not real butter, but whenever I get margarine or butter substitute, Country Crock is just, and sometimes it's cheaper than the store brands, and the quality is better, so I do that. 2 side salads for this week. There's a Cobb salad and an everything avocado salad. I thought I would hate that everything avocado salad because they don't put avocado in the salads anymore because it goes bad too quick. So what they did was it's an avocado ranch, and I thought I would hate it, but I tried it last week and I really liked it. Bridgerton. I know that's based on a show. I don't know what show. I don't know anything about the show. I just buy it because this is English toffee flavored and that's berry and cream flavored. That's all I can tell you. Let me put this round away, and then I will move on to, I think, all dry goods except for 1 more dairy item. Batch number 3 we have right here. We have 1 bag of the extra wide egg noodles. I was wrong last week. The gluten-free ones are $1 more, but pasta hasn't been bothering me. It's mostly like bread and things that they add extra gluten to. So I'm going to try their extra wide egg noodles and see if they work. Also, I did pick up 1 pack of the rice noodles, 4 apples for my kids, 1 can of the no salt added French style green beans, chipotle sauce, mustard, a large bottle of the buttermilk ranch. When we had to throw a lot of the sauces away to empty the fridge out whenever it went out for a week, I literally threw everything away, even stuff that might have held, and we said we would just start over, and some of the stuff we needed this week, and some of it I was just like, you know what, while I'm in the sauce aisle at Kroger, which I love the way that Kroger puts all their sauces in one aisle, I was like, you know what, let's just get it, and I keep leaning onto that bag. So we have 1 bottle of the Asian Zing Buffalo Wild Wings sauce, 1 bottle of Yum Yum sauce, the not spicy. I prefer the not spicy, and their sauce is gluten-free. Honey sesame sauce. I haven't tried this one yet. This is going to be a new try for this week. 1 bottle of the sweet and sour sauce, 1 bottle of ketchup for Matt, 1 6-pound bag of boneless, skinless chicken breasts that are going to go to the freezer, 1 box of the Earl Grey tea to bring out my inner Jean-Luc Picard, 1 box of the Immune Support Propel, 1 box of the it's the orange raspberry Immune Support. There used to be 2 flavors. I don't know if there still are. There was only 1 at Kroger. 1 box of the kiwi strawberry. 1, like these have gluten in them. They don't bother me as much. Like they kind of do, but not a lot. Not enough to matter. Especially with the detoxes that I do every morning anyway. So, flour tortillas. This is a 30 pack. This is the same pack that I would get at Sam's, and it was the same cost. So I went ahead and bought it while I was at Kroger, and I need them for this week anyways. Strawberry pineapple smash Mio, Acai berry storm, and tropical fusion. Also, while we were in the Asian aisle getting the rice noodles and sauces, picked up 2 boxes of Pocky. The kids wanted the matcha, and then I wanted the almond crush and shrimp crackers. So yeah. Also one bottle of one bottle, there's so many bottles on here, one box of the Sweet Nut Cluster granola. Simple Truth granola is one of my absolute favorites. It's a really good quality. I just really love the flavor of their granola. One bag of Cuties and 1 gallon of 2% milk. Let me put this away, and there will be one more batch after this. So this is the last batch. We have one box of the saltines. This little parrot on the front with the eye patch is absolutely adorable. I just love it. I heard somebody say that they were making maple flavored Spam now, and Spam is a food for, like, in my mind, breakfast. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna buy it. And then apparently I was in a Hawaiian mood because I also bought a can of crushed pineapple, because one of the things that I'm trying to do for my personal health is, instead of buying stuff like chocolate covered thin pretzels, where those are not as bad as like other junk food in my mind, it also is still not great. So I'm trying to supplement, like, when I'm craving chocolate, and doing like fruit instead. So I did pick up 1 can of crushed pineapple. We have 2 cans of the Chunk Light Tuna in water, emphasis there, 1 chew liter of Coke Zero, 1 chew liter of Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar, birthday present for one of my kids with a birthday coming up, 2 things of triple antibiotic, and these are going to be getting into like the personal things. And yes, Kroger's does sell these at a reasonable price. And again, I just needed a one-stop shop. I'm pretty sure this is the equivalent of what I bought them from Sam's, but this is the women's multivitamin chewable. Just makes it easier to get my kids to take them if they get them in chewable. And the women's ones have more vitamins for my teen girls than the kids ones for them. So first aid kit. So I was looking at triple antibiotic, and I was trying to find a travel size one to go in my first aid kit that's already in my bag. And I was like, you know what? I actually technically really need a bigger first aid kit anyways. So I went ahead and bought this to go in my travel backpack, especially with the upcoming trip to Michigan and Canada. And I'm worried about, you know, what we can and can't take across the border. So I want to make things like as easy as possible for like checkpoints and things. So I decided a bigger but not our super big first aid kit would be perfect for that need. Also because spring, summer, my kids are way more accident prone than they normally are. I don't know, maybe it's just a kid thing, but we were out of Band-Aids, so I need to go ahead and get more Band-Aids as the weather starts to warm up. So this is the Flex Fabric, the regular size, because I didn't need like any of the tiny ones, because we had plenty of the tiny ones, and I go through these way more. I just do. It feels like they scrape their knees way more, so like I needed more of the bigger ones. And also one of the reasons why it was a bigger haul is because like I needed all the first aid stuff. They were almost out of vitamins, and I needed to restock 2 of the girls' shampoo and 1 conditioner. And that is it for Kroger for this week for our family of 6 to 7. Thank you to all of our members for supporting this content and allowing us to continue making videos. And thank you to every single one of you for liking, watching, positive comments, and subscribing. And we will see you next time.